boom, 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 boom. Hey, yo, people, my people, what's going on? How you doing? How you doing? How's everything? Everybody okay? I hope everybody good. You know, today, again, let me introduce myself. My name is Richardson, aka Goldmine, aka Play to Win, baby. So today, we're going to tell you about the Powerball on the 13th, which is last night. So what happened was yesterday, I think that was Friday morning. I came from work. I did a little trade demonstration. I did it. Yes, I did it, but I was so tired. I didn't go live that day. I was doing a little bit, and after that, go to bed, stuff like that. But by the time for me to get up to do the live, friends come over, and then like that, that didn't happen. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how numbers were came out. I don't know if y'all can see really. It look like y'all cannot see, but I got another video coming up. So I got it like I'm doing another record and another thing right here. So I probably will upload that one so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Okay, but for now, let's do this one. Yeah. So last night the number like came out was 20, 20, 28, 68, 63, and the final number again was 20, like, you know what I mean? 20. So we got 28, 20, 33, 20, 68. Okay. We got 63, 68, and 20. So 20 come out two times. So we can see that the power of bull was 20. So that being said that they come out two times. You remember I think that was Mega Million. You remember where 14 come out twice. It come out for the power bull and it come out on the white bull. But right now, it's the same thing that happened. It's the same thing that happened right now because if you see how it come out on Mega Million, 14 come out twice. Now it's the same thing on Powerball. You gotta watch the game close, people. If you wanna win, if you wanna make money, you know what I mean. Like you gotta watch the game very close, so like that you can understand better. But this one, this technique I'm using, it can be very useful for you if you like to play, if you wanna play Powerball or if you play Powerball, don't get just go get a quick pick because quick pick is just like you throwing your money away, right? But this one, when you do it like this, you got much advantage of the game on the game. You know what I mean? You got much advantage of that. So let's do this one real quick. I'm just gonna show you everything because I already demonstrate everything right here, so I can cut my time in half. So let's go. Okay, like we usually do, we take the the previous number. Remember that day, the number that we came out was 15. That on the 10 for Powerball, 15, 39, 58, 63, 67, um, 07. So now today for last night game we have uh 20, 28. 20 again, 33, 63, 68. Okay, 20. Okay, so now, like I usually do, I multiply everything with the power play, and then with the result, I do my frequency table, and then I count how many like numbers I got like come out. For example, like we always do, we always start from zero because that's the lowest number. So zero, we got zero, we do zero, we got zero one time on the first. Don't remember the first graph gonna show you what number that's missing, all that. The first graph will do that. Sometimes it can give you all the numbers, but in this case, we only have in this case we only have three, I think three numbers. We got 20 over here, you see 20, and then we got 68, okay, and then we got 28, okay. What else we got here? Well, we got 20, 68, uh, and 28 on the first table. The second table, we do it the same way we did this. We start from zero. The same way we don't do it from here, the second table. We do it from here on the first table. So we do the same thing on the first table. We just go here, we do the same thing, count how many zeros we got, okay? So, and see the street. One, we all the way down to not to 8. It's supposed to be to 9, but we don't have 9 on that value. So you already know what the range is gonna be when you don't have 9. Even you have 9, you already know what the range is gonna be, because sometimes the range usually is very difficult for you to find one on top, right? It's very difficult for you to start with one. So, for example, if we had one on top, right, and then we got eight on the bottom, remember the range is the highest number minus the lowest number. So that was gonna be, if one was on top, it was gonna be 8 minus one, which give us 7. So that's the range if this is was 1. So that's not the case. So the case is um, the case is 8 minus 0. That still give you 8. So that is the case right here. So we don't need to go all the way on that looking for range and mode. Maybe we need to use them, but not really, because if you see when we done place all the numbers, when we start from 0, we place all the numbers on the second table, you can see clearly all the numbers reveal themselves, right? All the numbers reveal themselves. For example, here, this one, I do this one to verify the number that's here, okay? I do this one to verify the number that's here. So we're gonna redo this, the verification thing first. Again, I'm gonna redo it so y'all can see what's going on. For example, when I multiply everything by the power play. So what I did, I don't just transfer those over there, but I take those as an example. Maybe when you put when it's not maybe when you line them up, okay, when you line them up, they will show you what number that's gonna match over here and here. So let's do this. What I do, I take that number here, I line them up 30, okay, 78, 116, and then 126, and then 134, and then 14. So when I'm done doing this, so what I do, I just add one here, one, two, three, four, five, six, and then I went over here on this side. I put one, two, three, four, five, and six. So that's how I do the verification table. Okay, that's how I do it. So when I do it like this, it gives me a better chance to see how my number is gonna go. For example, when you look over here, right? You see all the numbers right here. But when you come over here too, if you really pay attention, you will see 68. Well, probably that's my problem. Probably I don't really pay attention on on the board, so that's why it's very difficult for me to catch the numbers, all of them. So let me show you. Okay, that's why I use this as a verification. For example, I went over here, I went on this side, right? I see 28 right here, And then, okay, I see I got 8 up here. When you say 5 times 2 give you 10, right? So when you put 10 over here, 8 up there and 6 in the bottom. So what you do, you don't use the 1. You just slide down to the 6 from 8 to 6, which give you 68. And then you go over here, you look to see if you see 68. Okay? When we go over here, we connect 68 right here. We got 68 over here. So now we're gonna look for 63 because we got 63 on that table right here, on the verification table. So when we go over here to, you see, when we go over here to the same 6 that we used for 68, when you go over here, you see, you got a 3 here, that's a 3, and then that's a 6. The same 6 we used for 68. And then you add that to that number, which gives you 68, okay? 63, sorry. And then now the next number is 33. So when you go over here, when you go, for example, where you see this table, that three right here, you always play a major game because this, I've been following this for a minute now. This, you don't go over here. Like you don't cross down to those two. You count 1, 2, and then you cross right here. Okay, which gives you 33. Okay, that's the second game. The third one, I mean, that's 63. Okay, that's the that's we got 3 numbers that we can verify because we see them over here. We see them over here. Now we go look for 28 because we got 28 here, and then we got 27. It's like we got 200. It's like we got 278. But what happened is, if we don't want to use that 1 or 2, if we don't want to use that 2, we can go over here. To make it easy, you can go over here. You say 2 right here, right? And then 8, which is not that far because why I use that 8 is because over here you see 68, right? And then when you go over here again, the same way you see 68 and then 2 right here and then 8 over here. We got 2 right here, we got 8 over here. That give me 28. So now we're gonna look for 20, right? Only one thing I don't have on my board, I don't have here on the verification table, I don't have 2 zeros, right? I don't have 2 zeros. So that, even that, you don't have 2 zeros here. That means you still can win 5 numbers, which $1 million, right? Because let me show you what I said. For example, here we got 2, right? 2, and then we got 0 right here. That's 20. And when you go over here, you check, you see 20. Well, 20 very lined up by himself over here. Okay? 20 is lining up over here. So that tell me the game is real and my numbers is real. I got 20. So remember, 20 come out 2 times. So it's very difficult for you to know that 20 gonna come out again in the same game if you didn't watch if you didn't watch the Mega Million, because 14 come out 2 times. So now, of course, in Mega Million, you're gonna do the same thing too with a different number. So that's what happened. So that, I can tell that I was not gonna get that one, but I was gonna get 5 numbers for real because 20 right here, 68, 63, uh 33, 28. I got 28. So that being said, I got 5 numbers. I got 5 numbers which you can get easily when you do it like this. This verification table, we verify over here, we verify over here. For example, again, you see over here, we got 28. We got 28 here. Okay, and for example, again, we got 30, 33 right here. Okay, so it's to show you. If you look at the board, if you look at the board carefully, you will see all the numbers right here on your face. That's how it go. They always come on your face, but if you don't pay close attention, you're not gonna know. You're not gonna know because yeah, you wanna win. Like me, I wanna win. That's why I create this. So now that's how the game came out. So today we're gonna finish with this. So what I want you to do, leave a comment down below to tell me how can I do better and what I'm doing wrong, and I can fix that. Okay. So I'm glad to be here today, and happy Sunday, guys. Stay safe, 6 feet distance, and wear your mask all the time when you in public. Wash your hands when you come from the store. It's like that. Stay away from people. Don't get too close. You understand. So we gotta take care of ourselves and our friends and our loved ones. So the way we have to do that is to stay away, love them from afar. Okay. So I love you guys, and I hope you have a blessed Sunday, a great day, and then God bless you. God bless America. I love Haiti. C'était Goldmine, aka Play to Win. See you next time. I love y'all. See ya.